So I found this crazy glitch that gets you 15% off on Amazon vouchers. I'm going to show you how to get the glitch to work and how to turn it into profit in your bank account. So the first thing we need to do is we go to this page here. I've got a link in the description of this video. This obviously is not an Amazon voucher, but what we're going to do is a trick that turns this basically into an Amazon voucher. So they've got a few different options. Let's say we were going to buy a £100 voucher. So we go on this, and then you send the voucher to yourself. So I'm going to send it to Flipping Demos. Make sure that the spelling on this is right, otherwise the voucher is going to go to the wrong place and it will still charge you. So make sure you spell this correctly so the voucher gets delivered to you. You send it from someone, so your friend. We don't make sure the delivery date is now. So we're going to send ourselves a £100 gift card. Pay attention now, because that's been added to our basket. So we're going to go to the basket. And before we check out, don't go to gift card because we don't have a gift card yet. We have a coupon. Pay attention. The coupon is cards 15, and this will get us 15% off. So look. Oh, no, let me have a check. I've got it written down. I think it's gifts. Is it gifts 15? Is it gift 15? I hope I haven't lost this now. There we go. It's gift 15. GIFT 15 is the voucher code, well, the coupon code. So now you can see that we've got £15 off. That means we're going to get a £100 voucher for £85. So now we're going to go to the checkout. Obviously, I'm not going to show you all these details, so we're going to skip this, but you do need to make an account, okay? So either you've already got an account and then you log in, or you're going to have to make a new account. So hold on, I'm gonna pause this while I do this. All right, so I've filled out all of my details in the form above, but like obviously I'm not gonna scroll back up and show you my details. And then we get to the card details. So I'm gonna put my card details in, read the terms and conditions, agree, and then I'm gonna place my order. So I'll come back to you once that's done. So once you've placed your order, you're gonna go to this page, and I have hidden some of my personal details on here, but this is where it sends you to. And then you're going to get an email. It tells you, like you can see here, whoops, you can see here it shows you where it's going to send to. So check that email address and you should have the gift card in there. Oh, actually, if you look up at the top left, you can see that I just received some new emails. So that's probably my gift card arriving on. I'll just go into my inbox now. All right, so we're in my inbox. Well, not in my inbox, in the email, and you can see that I've actually received a gift card. Sorry, I'm going to hide the details on the gift card because obviously that's my gift card. But I'm going to show you how to use it next. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit that redeem button. And so this has sent us to their online store, and this is where we need to go. Where we need to go, this is how the glitch works, is we need to go into this traffic generation here, because they give an Amazon gift card as a free gift when you buy web traffic. So what you're actually paying for is to get visitors sent to a certain web page. But as a bonus, they give you Amazon gift cards. And the way that they've done it, the maths works out that you end up earning more than you spent when you check this out. I'll show you how it works. So remember, we paid £85 to get £100 voucher for their website. And what we can do is they're going to give us a gift card. So if we go on here, we get 1,500 visits. What we're going to do, we're just going to send the traffic to like a random website. Let's just send it to like Google or something, because they do require a website to be in here. So we'll just pay them to send the traffic to Google. Or if you do have a website, then you can pay to get the traffic sent there. So we're getting £100 voucher, but it only actually cost us £85. So we're going to go to add to basket. Why is this not working? Enter a URL. Maybe we need the HTTP. There we go. See, when you put in the URL, it has to be like a full HTTP or HTTPS URL. So now we're going to go to our basket. And so we can see this in here. This is going to cost us £100 still. But remember, that £100 only cost us £85 to get. So now I'm going to get my gift card number, which I'm not going to show you. So hold on a second. All right, so I'm going to paste that gift card number in here, and I'm going to apply it. Oh, I didn't need to. It had already applied it. I didn't see that there. It's already applied the gift card. So I'm going to need to blank that out so you can't see my gift card details. Even though, to be honest, it doesn't really matter now because I've already used the gift card. So it doesn't actually matter. And then we're going to proceed to the checkout. I might need to hide some of my personal details on this page. And so you can see that the total left to pay is actually 0. So that's loaded properly. The total left to pay is 0. So then we're going to place this order. I have to accept the terms. Then we're going to place this order. And then we're going to get like a confirmation from them, which I'll have a look now. So this is the order confirmation in my Gmail. And so what's going to happen is they're going to send the traffic to that page. And once they're done sending the traffic to that page, then I'll get my bonus as a gift card, which I will show you when that comes through. Okay, so it's actually the next morning, but yeah, they've sent it through. So I've got this Amazon voucher here. So they've given instructions on how to redeem it into my Amazon account. But that's not what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna show you how to, instead of just putting it in your Amazon account, which you can do. Obviously, there's £100 voucher that we got for £85, which is basically a 15% discount on anything that we buy from Amazon now. But if you prefer, we can just turn that into money. So there's a few different ways that we can do this, which I'm going to show you some examples now or give you some ideas. So this is the first option I want to show you is cardyard.co.uk. We can sell our gift cards on here. Remember, this gift card cost us £85. So what we can do is, if we type in Amazon, this is an e-voucher with £100 on it, and they will give us £90 for it. So we paid £85 and we turn that into £90. That doesn't sound like much money, but I'm going to show you how that actually works out to be a lot more if we do this properly. Here's the next option, is to just sell it on Gumtree. So here's an example of someone who listed a gift. Sorry, here's an example of someone who listed a gift card on Gumtree. I think Gumtree don't tend to like it when you do it, but you can get away with putting on a few of them. You can also sell it on like eBay. A lot of people sell gift cards on eBay, but you have to watch out for the fees. Another thing is Facebook Marketplace. And then obviously, I'm sure you know a lot of people who buy things from Amazon. So if you're able to get these gift cards for 15% off, then if you give them 10% off, you're making 5%. So if you got 10 of these and you sold them to 10 friends, or even if you just gave them 5% off, because if we look at Cardyard, they buy them at 10% off. But then if we wanted to buy it, they only give us 3% off. So they're actually only selling them, the one that you sell them for £90, then they're selling it for £97. So that means that if you were getting these at £85, then you can go back to your friends and say, okay, I'll give it to you for £95. But as you saw, they didn't only have where we bought the gift card originally, they didn't only have £100 gift cards, you can get smaller gift cards. So I've only been doing this for a little while, but I was doing some maths on what I'm planning to do next to actually make this something worthwhile. So if I use a credit card, I've got a credit card with £2,000 on it. So if we're able to get these cards at £85 each, that means that I can buy 23 gift cards, because 23 gift cards is £1,955, which I can put on this credit card. As long as I get this money back and pay it back before the end of the month, then that means that I don't get charged on my credit card, so I get that money for free. So I use that and then sell them and then pay the credit card back and keep what's left. So I put in £1,955 to get 23 cards. I sell them at £92 each to just friends, people I know, and on Gumtree. And then I get, for selling those 23, £2,116. So then the profit is that, take away that, and that's £161 for just getting these 23 gift cards and just putting them kind of online. But then if you wanted to do it completely hands off, then you could just do it on Cardyard. So if we did this on Cardyard, instead of this being £92, that'd be £90. So then the profit would still be £115 for just buying these 23 cards, put them on Cardyard, and wait for them to sell. And then there's no more extra effort on your part. So that's what I'm planning on doing. So just quickly, let's recap the steps. So the first thing is you go to the link in the description, which I've also written here, but then you buy one of the ISJ Dev gift cards, so that's just one of their own gift cards, and make sure you use the coupon code GIFT15, and that gets you 15% off. And then you use that gift card when it comes through to buy their web traffic, and then you get an Amazon gift card as a free gift with that. And then you sell or use that Amazon gift card, and then you either use that to get discounts on stuff that you got on Amazon, or you can sell it for a profit. All right, so that is the whole process. So go to the link in the description and try it now whilst it's still working. This probably isn't going to be up there forever.